I was a meth addict for a while. And, I'm currently 11 months clean, and it really ruined my teeth. So, you know, that's the reason why I started looking into stuff like this. I mean, you can't even tell that they're fake. And I'm constantly smiling now. People are complimenting how I have a pretty smile, and you know, I definitely recommend this company to anyone who is looking at it. Much better. Well, this is the second pair that I have ordered from them, as you can see. Very beautiful. I wore them like every day, whenever I went out. I slept in them. When I did smoke cigarettes, I smoked with them, drink coffee in them. They're amazing. You know, the only thing they don't recommend is to eat. You know, don't eat like hard food. I also recommend that. I tried that and didn't go so well. The product is phenomenal. I am a huge, you know, advocate for Instasmile. Thank you so much, Instasmile.